So what do we have here? A Panamera Turbo S, actually. Couldn't resist to film it because from the side I thought it was Panamera 4 hybrid because of the green calipers, and what I've now learned is that all Panamera Turbo S have ceramic brakes as a standard, and it's a no-cost option having the calipers in yellow. So this should be ceramic then. Yeah, it looks like. What's intriguing about this car is that it's like M5 performance, but you actually can get a crazy range. I don't know what is the range if you use full tank and full battery and say cruise at 140 kilometers per hour. Is it like 1,300 kilometers or something like that? Funny thing that the tax is not that high on this car. Since it's so low emissions. I cannot find any really fun options on this one, except a nice color and black leather. It's are the rear lights a little bit darker maybe? Anyway, 17-year anniversary. They're gonna have this every 5 years with this thing. Anyway, that's all. I would not choose dark windows in this car. It gets too dark. And a bit too green for my taste with all the greenish color everywhere. It's a long name of a car. They even skipped the Porsche name. Anyway, that's about it. Bye.